Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video is based on the how to handle the dynamic objects in Tosca. So basically dynamic means the objects is keeps on changing its position. So due to the keeps on changes its position, so it's difficult to use the axis cap. So in this video, I'm going to show how to handle the dynamic objects changing position. For that, I'm using constraints. So for that, the first step, create the workspace that's giving name as a project, any name you can give. And I'm going to create it. It will take some time to create. Yeah. This is the workspace. And here we have to create the model. Before creating the model, I'm going to take the some obstacle like scenario that is a dynamic page. So for that I'm going to open the Chrome's website. So I'm going to add this website link in the description. Okay, this is the obstacle we are using. The main task is click the edit button for the Jondio. This is the task, and it is difficult because this is a dynamic page. It's not a static page. In the dynamic page, when I refresh it, it's going to change the usernames order. Here you can see July, John, Jen is there. When I refresh this person is going to second position, which, yeah, sorry, he had gone to the last position. So like this, it's gone changing. To handle this scenario, we are using a constraints that's on action mode. It's going to uniquely identify this person and it's going to edit it. So when you are manually going to edit this particular person, it's a very hard task, and in this is not the static page, so it's hard to scan this. So I'm going to create the new module, naming as dynamic. Uh, okay, next I'm going to scan this application, means that's a website. It's take few minutes to scan that page. Yeah, this is the page. I'm going to scan it. It will take few minutes. I think something went wrong. Yeah, you can see. I'm going to select it in the advanced mode. For selecting this whole table, I'm selecting this person. Person means it will going to select the whole table, and with that edit button, I'm going to take it. Here you can see the selected item is not unique. We don't want to make it unique because we are using the constraints, so it's not necessary to use this. I'm going to basic and so I'm going to finish this screen and close it. And here in the model you can see it has been recorded. This edit button should be come in the row column. sorry, in the row, below the row. Column should be after the row. uh, Next, I'm going to create the test case that is named as a dynamic, and as similar as before, you can see, just drag and drop it here. Yeah, you can see it has been recorded. I'm going to expand this. Okay, now we are going to give the value for this. Here for in the cell, I'm going to give, wait, I'm going to show it. Here in the table, they had given a first name and the last name. And for that, we are going to give the value. That's a first name with the value for this, and last name, and these are the values. So here in the table, we consider in the row, we are going to give first name, and the first name value. Here you can see I'm going to give a John. Particularly, I'm going with a John. I will say what's the reason I'm going with John. Going to paste it here. Okay. If I search for the John, we have a two-person. In the first name, we have a two-person as a John. So we are going to uh, this um, this has a confusion where which person has to be gone to editor. So for that reason, we are going to add the last name. So I want this Doi. So I'm going to select this, copy. I'm going to, and I'm giving last name and value Doi. After that, for the particular selection of this person, we are using the constraint. As I said in the starting, we are using the constraint, so it is helps in select this particularly this person. After that, just give this as a click. Yeah, I'm going to run this whether it's going to successful or not. Yeah, you can see after the successful you are getting this. I'm going to show here my test case has been successful, so I got the green flag. Okay, thank you for watching the video.